Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to plant your Tui Tomato Tower. First up, let's find a sunny spot that's easy to harvest from. While we set up, we're going to give our seedling a good soak in Tui Organic Seaweed Plant Tonic, which will help prevent transplant shock. While we let that settle in, we can't forget our mask and gloves. Now let's build the base of the tomato tower. We're going to fill it with Tui tomato mix. This is a great start for our plants. A really good tip is making sure we don't plant in the heat of the day. Only plant in the early morning or late afternoon so the plants aren't exposed to hot sun straight away. Now you're going to pop the tomato into the hole and firm down really well and then cover with soil. Next up, to give our tomatoes the best start, we're going to feed them with Tui Performance Naturals tomato and vegetable liquid fertilizer. Measure out your fertilizer and add to your watering can and give your plant a really good drink. Now let's build the frame. I prefer to do it all at once so I don't have another job to do later. Lastly, fill up your water reservoir at the base of your Tui Tomato Tower. This 1.5 metre tower is perfect for any garden, big or small. Thanks for building with me.